Molasses is a thick, dark syrup that comes from sugarcane. It is a rich byproduct of the sugar-making process and is widely used in cooking, baking, and even animal feed. The journey of molasses begins in vast sugarcane fields. Tall green stalks grow under warm sunlight for many months until they are fully mature. Once ready, the sugarcane is harvested. Workers cut the stalks close to the ground and remove the leaves, keeping only the thick, juicy stems. The harvested cane is then transported to a processing plant. Here, the stalks are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and debris. Next comes crushing. Heavy steel rollers squeeze the sugarcane, extracting its sweet juice. The remaining dry fibers, known as bagasse, are separated and often reused as fuel. The freshly extracted juice is then filtered and pumped into large boiling tanks. As the juice heats, water begins to evaporate, and the liquid thickens. During boiling, sugar crystals start to form. The mixture is spun in powerful centrifuge machines, which separate the sugar crystals from the dark syrup. The white sugar crystals are collected for refining. What remains behind is molasses. Sometimes, the syrup is boiled again to extract even more sugar. With each stage of boiling, the molasses becomes darker, thicker, and richer in flavor. After the final boiling process, the finished molasses is cooled and stored in large tanks. Its deep brown color and thick texture make it a valuable ingredient in many products, from baked goods to sauces, from tall green sugarcane fields to thick, sweet syrup. Molasses is a remarkable transformation created through heat, separation, and careful processing.